Are you looking to elevate your tennis game but struggling to find the right practice partner? Tennis ball machines are the perfect solution for players of all levels, offering consistent practice and a variety of drills to enhance your skills. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best tennis ball machines available on the market today, showcasing their features, benefits, and what to consider when choosing the right one for your training needs. Get ready to serve up success on the court. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the YUEWO Electric Tennis Ball Dropping Machine. The YUEWO Electric Tennis Ball Dropping Machine, your ultimate companion for honing your tennis skills. This innovative machine boasts a large capacity, accommodating up to 33 standard tennis balls or 30 red tennis balls. You can focus on your practice without the interruption of frequently retrieving balls, allowing you to maximize your training sessions. One of the standout features is its adjustable height function. You can easily modify the rebound height to tailor your practice to specific techniques, whether you're perfecting your forehand, backhand, or volley. It's designed to meet your unique training needs, making every session more efficient. Flexibility is key in your training regimen, and this machine delivers. With an adjustable frequency for ball release ranging from every 2 seconds to over 10 seconds, you can customize the pacing to match your workout intensity. This feature is essential for simulating real match situations and developing your reaction time on the court. Versatility is another highlight of the YUEWO machine. It's not just for traditional tennis balls, it also accommodates red tennis balls and pickleballs, broadening your practice possibilities. Powering this device is simple. Just insert 4 AA batteries. Practice anywhere, whether at home, in a backyard, or at a local park. With the YUEWO Electric Tennis Ball Dropping Machine, you have a powerful tool at your disposal to elevate your game and boost your confidence. Get ready to take your skills to the next level. At number 4, Elite Tennis Ball Machine. When it comes to enhancing your tennis skills, the Elite Tennis Ball Machine is a game changer you won't want to miss. With adjustable ball speeds ranging from 10 to 80 miles per hour, you can customize your practice sessions to your exact needs. Whether you're looking to perfect gentle volleys or unleash powerful ground strokes, you have the flexibility to simulate any match situation. Imagine the thrill of practicing with the Triple Oscillation Plus 2-line feature, which allows you to replicate live match dynamics. This innovative machine performs both vertical and horizontal oscillation, delivering balls to every corner of the court. You can work tirelessly on your forehand, volley, backhand, and drop shots, honing your skills for those crucial points in a game. Plus, with the added 2-line function, you can focus on specific drills with a partner or practice solo. Another remarkable feature is the electronic elevation control, enabling you to practice lobs at various heights up to 60 degrees. This is your chance to nail those overhead smashes or perfect your net play with precision. Lightweight and portable at just 42 pounds, the Elite Tennis Ball Machine makes transportation easy. Its 8-inch all-terrain wheels glide effortlessly over any surface, so you can take it from your car to the court without hassle. With a rechargeable battery providing 4 to 6 hours of uninterrupted gameplay, you can maximize your practice time. Take your game to the next level with the Elite Tennis Ball Machine. It's time to transform your training sessions. Number 3, we have the Nisplay Portable Tennis Ball Machine. The Nisplay Tennis Ball Machine is your ultimate training partner designed for durability and ease. Weighing just 26 pounds, about the size of a basketball, it's lightweight and built to withstand the rigors of daily practice. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, this machine is tailored to fit your needs. Transporting your machine has never been simpler. Equipped with oversized wheels and a 3-foot ergonomic folding handle, you can easily navigate over grass, gravel, or curbs, making your journey to the court hassle-free. The Nisplay Tennis Ball Machine is versatile and packed with features. With manual oscillation and ball speeds reaching up to 68 miles per hour, you can customize your training. Adjust the elevation from 0 to 50 degrees to work on various shots. Plus, its portable lithium battery provides over 4 hours of operation, ensuring you have plenty of playtime. The dual motor design allows for seamless ball delivery every 1 to 9 seconds, enabling you to practice flat shots, topspin, and backspin. You can enhance your skills and agility with consistent ball returns tailored to your style. What truly sets the Nisplay apart is its exceptional spin control feature, allowing you to adjust topspin and backspin precisely to your preference. All these features come together to create a tennis ball machine that promotes effective practice at an accessible price point. Get ready to elevate your game with the Nisplay Tennis Ball Machine by your side. At number 2, Furlihong Tennis Ball Machine. The Furlihong Tennis Ball Machine, engineered for stability and performance. With its robust triangular iron base, you can focus on your game without worrying about your equipment shifting or toppling over during use. This design ensures that you can practice with confidence, knowing your machine remains steady even during intense sessions. Tailor your training with adjustable speed settings. This machine allows you to easily switch from low to high speeds, catering to your unique needs, whether you're honing your skills as a beginner or challenging yourself as an advanced player. Whatever your level, you'll find the ideal setting for effective practice. The automatic up and down swing launch port elevates your training experience. With just the press of a button, you can adjust the launch angle to target specific areas of your game, keeping your practice sessions engaging and relevant. Convenience is key when you're on the court. This machine comes with dual power options, allowing you to choose between battery power or an AC adapter. No matter where you are, indoors or outside, you can train without the hassle of finding a power source. Transportability is another benefit of the Furlihong. It includes a portable carrying bag, making it easy for you to bring your training session wherever you go. Enhance your skills anytime, anywhere with this compact and efficient machine, ensuring that you're always prepared for practice. And finally, the number 1 of our list, SCIFANTA Portable Tennis Ball Tosser. The SCIFANTA Portable Tennis Ball Tosser is the ultimate tool to help you refine your tennis techniques with ease. This innovative machine releases a ball every 4 seconds, providing accurate feeds that allow you to practice various strokes like forehands, backhands, volleys, and more, completely on your own. Imagine the hours you can spend honing your skills and trying new drills, all at the same courtside where you're playing. Whether you're a beginner, an intermediate player, or even a seasoned athlete, this ball tosser is designed for you. With a wide range of ball feeding distances, you can practice at your own pace. The device easily adjusts between 5 to 10 feet based on the weight of the balls, making it suitable for players of all ages and skill levels. One of the standout features of the SCIFANTA is its precise and efficient feeding system. You'll no longer rely on a partner, be it a coach, friend, or family member, to throw balls accurately. With this tosser, you can focus entirely on your strokes without distraction, freeing up valuable time for you to improve your game. Embrace the opportunity to practice whenever you want, at your own convenience. Invest in your tennis journey with the SCIFANTA Portable Tennis Ball Tosser, your personal feed buddy for mastering the game. Crash into excellence, one ball at a time. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which tennis ball machine you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.